All right, folks, Apple, let's talk about it. So put a trade in on Apple short today. I've been talking about this, and I'll show you on a wider chart here on a weekly why I took a trade short on this. I'm like, oh my God, people are like, oh my God, you took a trade short on Apple. We know the market, and I know NVIDIA, that could all turn around with the video earnings, but it's waiting for after earnings to decide on a lot of equities, especially in the tech sector. Now we have this channel here, which we're in. I'll turn off some of these indicators so we can get a clear view here. They're in this channel with Apple, bouncing around inside that channel. It's not breaking this channel. It doesn't have any catalyst, which is another factor here, to break out of this channel to go higher. So the probability is that we stay inside this channel, especially with NVIDIA not doing good from earnings. The earnings were great, but the market makers were taking profits like crazy today, 226 as I record this video. So the probability is that this pulls down, right? The probability is that Apple comes down into this channel, and I put some fibs up on this to try to look at some target points, okay, from swing to low here to the swing high here. It's been respecting this, right? You can see here at the 0618, at the 618, reject, finally break through, the 25, consolidation, you break through this level here, and then you pull back into 7/8, clean, right? You bounce off of it. Now, there is a trend going down, making lower highs inside the fib, inside under the channel. You tried to retest the channel or rejected it. So now looking at downside, now indications to confirm this, as I'm already in this trade at, we are looking for at 275, we're in this trade. What I'm looking for here is it to come down, as it breaks these levels. Well, let me take some of these things out. I don't need this here anymore because I know what's going on. And I'll take away these. I was trying to show levels here. I'm being conservative with my target prices, my TP1, TP2, TP3s, right? Ultimately, I want to get down here. It would be nice. But first, we need to pull down. We need to hit this level here around 260. So I'm saying 265s because that is close to the bottom of this or top of this candlestick here. To be conservative, right around there. And then ultimately, to come hit this 236, the 2 3s here. You want to see it pull down here. You want to see this break. And you want to see it flush down. I had 256 as a target as well. That's being very, very conservative as you ride the trade. Like you move your stop into the trade because you want to make as much profit as possible. As you move your profit in the trade, I put conservative here, 256 as a TP. I don't know, if it's TP1 here. All right, this would be TP2. These are tight, right? This is also conservative, very conservative. Right, TP3 is way down here. And the reason why is if you break this, you can look at 230s. I had it at 220s. I think I might move with the 230s, and that's conservative, right? So TP3, I'll put a little bit below this here because what I want is the bottom of this channel. TP3. Okay. Those are some of the areas you can look at. I was looking at 220 originally, which is this line here, because it's good support. If you stretch this over, this is a very, very busy area, right? This is a busy area from rejection. You did break through here. It held it as support for a long period of time, bounced out, came right back down to the area, used it as support, bounced out of it. You broke through it. It's been resistance. So 220 is still a good number, but I'm being conservative by putting TP3 up here at let's say 225s, really 230s. You want to watch out for that 230 level as a target too. If you break this level here, 240s, it's a lot of downside. And the reason why the channel's been consistent, it has not broken out this channel long term, right? So it's tried to test it, got pushed back in. it's been respecting this channel. We've been at the top of this channel for a while. And I talk about a double top trend line, which this is, right? Double top trend here, because it's a trend, but it's a double top on the trend, right? It's a different strategy. And if it moves down, because now you had this double top and move down, well, you've been up here for a while. You had a very aggressive move here from 171s to 296. There's no catalyst. No more earnings for Apple. They're not doing anything. They're not really in the AI race. So, which could be a good thing because people use it as a safe haven. But right now the technicals are telling me, and I'm following, rejecting that level. There's no reason to go up here, especially with NVIDIA selling off the way it is. There's no catalyst here. So I think we're going to see more downside on Apple. I'm looking for specifically when I want to watch the 236 level break on the fibs and come down a little bit further and hit that 243s, past TP2, 243s. And I kind of can ride this, swing this all the way down as far as it wants to go. If it starts to turn around on me, I'll take my profits and ride this out. But this could be a great opportunity to make some serious upside profits on a long swing trade from getting into a key level, not getting in down here or, over here or over here. You're getting in at prime real estate of confirmed channel respect, right? And and there's no catalyst here. So there's a lot of confluences associated with this move here. Next earnings doesn't come up until April. So we got time for this to work. Okay. So hey, take care. That's the Apple trade that we are in right now. And I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye. Hi, folks. Hank from SixFourTrading. If you like this type of content, and if you want to trade with me live in my Discord, there's a link in the description below. I hope you guys trade well, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. Take care.